Alright guys, welcome back to another video. I'm about Mr. Talented Reid. So if you have a 2002 Chevy Suburban on your oil cooler for the power steering pump leaking, so this is the power steering pump oil cooler that's leaking. So if you go to the store, you're not gonna get it like this. You'll get it universal like this right here. So this is how it comes. You get a piece of hose with it. I get some clamps and some clips to attach it to the radiator or the condenser for the AC. And this is the cooler right here. It's really small, but it still do the job. This is the whole one. And we go right here. So one of the screw comes right here, and one go right here. It's leaking. And two of the lines also go right here. One go right here, one go right here. That's the pump right here. So it leak and mess up all the front of the vehicle. So I'm going to install this piece. So I'm going to do a video, guys. I'm going to continue the video and show you how I hook it up. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to even up this piece of hose, cut it in half. So I'm just going to split it right here. Okay, just like that guys. Then I'm going to attach it to this piece, the clamps. Okay, so it's one of the clamp right there.